Hello world. I'm taking a break from trying to organize in my new apartment, and the winds are starting to pick up again. I recently moved from one part of San Antonio to another part of San Antonio, and it's a different world. Anyway, I thought this tree was so interesting, and I found out it was a sycamore tree, and it's kind of cool. Anyway, let's pray for these people in Texas that have gone through the floods, and let's pray, even though it may be sad in the end, that these children are found one way or another, so these parents can get some closure, which closure never really happens when you're a parent and you lose a child. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good Tuesday, and everybody stay safe. And you guys that were hit by the floods not too far away from me, I'm praying for you guys, and I'm hoping that things settle down where you can get your lives back on track. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.